La 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 la. La 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 la. Amari sì, amari. Amari sì, amari, amari cinibori, ai la 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 la. Amari sì, amari, amari cinibori, ai la 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 la.
Vulcans encourage flight up and away from the home. It's interesting to note that the place to just 100 meters high. She often has to fly several kilometers, using the wind and thermals to her advantage. That's something they just can't do in an airplane. When the Falcon grabs the wheel, it detaches of a small parachute. This acts as a drag or a brake, so that rather than the Falcon flying away with the wheel and going some great distance, she tends just to come straight down as quickly as she can. It makes retrieval much easier for us.
Hoi